Hello friends, thank you for stopping by. My name is Janie. If you're new here, I do videos on Squishmallows, Build-A-Bear, Squishables, Loungefly, anything that I think is cute. Today we're going to go through my room that I've been talking about in all my videos saying I have no space, I have no space. I want to show you the work in progress, what I plan to do in the future, and just give you a look at my Squishmallow collection so far. This is honestly only 80%. There's a huge chunk of them that are at my husband's house that are almost all of them are 16 inches. Though I haven't yet brought them over here. Some of these are going to go there, and we're going to do a little switcheroo. Yes, my husband and I live in two different places. That's a long story. If you want to hear about it, it's going to be in the vlog channel. But we're going to walk out into this hallway, and you're going to see my Squishmallows. But I do also have a bunch over here as well, and including some non-Squishmallows. This is the room. So it's a work in progress, like I said many times. As you can see, the ceilings are angled, so that kind of prevents me from having super tall furniture in this room. So the first piece of furniture, we have Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Pluto. I was gonna say Goofy, I don't know why I get them confused. And then below that, there's some others hiding behind the front one. Like I need to switch this one. This is a Squishable. And then the Squishmallow, for the alien from Toy Story, is right behind it. I do like this piece. It was from Target, very affordable. I think it was like $25, and they are stackable from what I remember. I get most of my pieces from Target versus IKEA because the IKEA near me doesn't have often the selection that I need, and I don't have a car, so getting it delivered costs the same amount as the actual furniture piece itself, so that's why I kind of refrain from doing that, though you will see some IKEA pieces eventually. I'm going to talk about that at the end of this video. But we have some cows, more cows. I think I featured these in a vlog at some point on Bunny Dreams, and I stopped updating everyone because it just got so hot. But now that we have cooler weather, I can finally talk about it. So this 3 shelving one is from Target as well. I love it. I want to say it was like $50. Super affordable. I don't think the quality is out of this world, but it's certainly not bad. Like, it's just very sturdy, and you know, it's kid furniture, but it's for me, so I'm definitely not going to do anything to it that's going to affect the integrity of the furniture piece. Then we have a rolling cart, which is overfilled right now. I have to find a way of displaying these keychains, but it doesn't fit on this. Like, this is too thick, otherwise I would have it hanging. But I have a bunch of keychains that I never really talk about. Not keychains, clips. And then I have a little Easter one. But these are from, the rolling cart is from Target. They have them in a lot of different colors. And I really, really love the size of this compared to the one from IKEA. Because I know IKEA does have one. You can see a side view. There's a lot jammed in there. I gotta fix it, figure it out. It's just a lack of space, honestly. And then we have this piece here, which is also from Target. This was amazing. 80 bucks. It's like a cornered piece. Right now it's like jam-packed full of stuff. I have to kind of change out some of these. I got this for my birthday. I got this a long time ago. Hello Kitty. I love her, but I don't want her in the center per se. I had a bunch of other ones, you see. I'm just overflowing with Squishmallow right now. And I kind of want to try vacuum sealing some of them, but I have to do more research on that because I'm nervous it's going to affect the actual way in which they look once they're not. You know what I mean? I don't know. Now I'm going to skip this mess for a second just to talk about this furniture piece. This is from Amazon. I don't remember exactly the price. It wasn't as cheap as I wanted it to be, but not bad. This one I would say is a little bit flimsy. It's kid furniture, and these fabric boxes are not replaceable. So you would have to buy the whole furniture piece or find a different brand that sells the same kind. But this has crop tops, some t-shirts, some pajamas, some leggings. I fit a lot of clothing in there, which I'm very grateful for because, like I said, I'm very limited in space right now. And then on top, I have some that I got from New Jersey at Walmart, which, you know, I have a hard time getting a hold of Walmart items because I don't have a car, so I'm very grateful to have them. This little cow's from Five Below. This one Ellie got me for my birthday. Very similar to this one, but it's bigger and pink, and it's just so cute. So I do like this furniture piece, but like I said, I just don't like supporting Amazon, their practices, none of that stuff. So I did this out of desperation, but I'm trying to steer away from buying anything from Amazon. Next, the reason that there's like coverings here is because these are boxes from my move. So So these are like boxes full of clothing or mugs and stuff that I haven't been able to find a spot for. Like I said, this place is really cute, and we moved because we were having so many issues with our upstairs neighbors for the past 10 years. So now we have peace of mind because I'm on the top floor, but there's a lack of space for all these Squishmallows. So there's a furniture piece that I want to put in here, so I'm going to insert it here now. This is what I want. It's not going to solve all my issues. Obviously, there's still a lot that has to be like, I don't know what I have to do. Like, I'm gonna have to take some of these back to my husband's house and then bring some here. Obviously, the first to go is gonna be Jack. I'm so sorry, Jack, but there's no room for you here. I have to figure out, I'm gonna put that there. It's gonna give me 2 rows, and then on top, I could put more. The problem is, I recently bought the Disney Munchlings. If you missed that video, I will link it. I want those to be front and center on the very top, so that does, again, cut into the spacing that I have. And then I have some Build-A-Bears here. This is the witch hat for my costume. So it's just going to be really tough. We have the Plague Doctor from Squishables, which I really love as well. I feel like Squishables does not get enough love, honestly. Then we have some Five Below stuff. Like, there's just layers and layers of this. One touch and everything comes tumbling down. So that's kind of a bit of a problem. So this is what I mean when I tell you that I just don't have more room for these Squishmallow. And it's not an exaggeration. I mean, oops, I dropped the keychain. Things can be fixed. Like, it's all, you know, you have to start somewhere for sure. And we have come a long way from the very first time I moved in here, where I literally could not even step in here without crashing into things. Ideally, I want to put the camera here, sit down, and then I'm filming in a room full of Squishmallows. This is kind of the angle I'm going for. But so far that hasn't been able to happen, because of the fact that one side of the room looks great and the other side does not. But I have no shame in it. We're gonna get through this. We're gonna figure some things out. If you have any furniture pieces that are not from IKEA that you would suggest for Squishmallows, let me know down below in the comments. And I think I'm gonna end the video here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Then we have this shelving right here, and that's all the room I have. The rest of my room is my bed, my desk, and my TV. And this is also very, not shallow, but like angled, so I can't have anything tall here as well. So it's kind of a pickle, but we're gonna get through it. Anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, because that definitely helps this channel out a lot. And until next time, bye.